Overhauling the Injectors.
Hi, my name is Aishwarya. Injectors are responsible for delivering fuel to the engine. Over time become clogged or damaged, which can affect the engine's performance. If you notice that your engine is running rough or if it is stalling or misfiring, it may be time to have the injectors cleaned or replaced. Rough or is less efficient than usual. It may be time to overhaul the injectors. It's important to know what you are doing before you begin rough or not performing as well as it used to. It may be time to clean or replace your injectors. In this video, we will show you how to overhaul your injectors step by step. In some cases, you may need to replace the entire injector system rough, or if it isn't running as efficiently rough or lack power, it may be time to clean or replace the injectors. In this video, we are going to learn how to overhaul the fuel injectors of an engine.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to dismantle the injectors, inspect the injectors, clean the injectors. Tools required: injector puller, trainee's toolkit. Equipment required: air compressor, injector cleaning kit, fuel injector. Materials required: kerosene, diesel, gloves. In this video, we will discuss the process of how to overhaul your fuel injectors and what products are best suited for the job. We will also cover some of the more common problems people encounter when trying to rebuild their injectors, as well as provide helpful tips on how to avoid them in the future. Remove overflow line of injectors. Remove high pressure lines. Ensure that the pipes do not bend. Remove injector clamp. Remove the injectors from cylinder head. Plug the inlet, injector seating, and leak-off openings. Clean the nozzle tip and wipe off the dirt from the injectors. Hold the injector in inverted position. Unscrew nozzle cap nut and remove the cap nut. Remove nozzle, intermediate washer, pressure bolt, spring, and shims. Now we are going to clean and inspect the injectors. Keep the components in the respective compartments of a standard work tray. Rinse nozzle in clean diesel and withdraw nozzle needle from the nozzle body. Inspect the nozzle needle for damage, roughness, and wear. Inspect the nozzle body for damage. Clean the nozzle either by blowing air or with a nozzle cleaning wire. Cleaning wires diameter should be smaller than spray hole's diameter. Ensure that while cleaning, wire does not break inside the hole. Rinse nozzle needle and nozzle with clean testing oil. Hold the nozzle vertically, pull out nozzle needle to 1/3 of its engaged length and release the nozzle needle. Nozzle needle should slide down to its seat on its own weight when it is released. If it does not slide, lap the needle and nozzle body with paste. Clean carbon deposits from inner and outer surfaces of cap nut. Inspect cap nut for any crack, damage. Inspect spring for crack or any damage. Replace if necessary. Check spring tension on spring tester. Replace spring if necessary. Dip the body and nozzle in clean oil. Ensure that nozzle and nozzle needle are not interchanged. Hold nozzle body in inverted position on a vise. Place shim, spring, pressure bolt, intermediate washer and nozzle with needle in nozzle body. Tighten the nozzle cap nut by hand and centralize the nozzle. Then, tighten nozzle cap nut at recommended torque.
Let's have a recap of what we have learned today. We have learned to dismantle the injectors, inspect the injectors, clean the injectors. Thus, we have learned how to overhaul the fuel injectors. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor.